Welcome back, students. So now we will discuss the second type of terrestrial plants, that is those plants which grow on mountains and hills. So mountains and hills, what type of weather or climate hill stations have? Most of us have already been to many types of hill stations. So how is the climate of a hill station? In hill station, the temperature is very low. That means it has very cold temperature, right? Hill stations are very cold. So we will be discussing about those plants which grows in mountains and hills. So those plants, their body have been developed in such a way so that they can easily grow and live in the cold temperature of mountain and hills. Plants that grow on mountains and hills, जो plants mountains और hills में grow करते हैं उनका habitat क्या है, उनका घर कौन सा area है? Mountains and hills. Mountains and hills are the habitat of the plants which grow in mountains, right? And how is the climate of mountains and hills? They have very low temperature, they are very cold. So such plants are developed or adapted in such a way that they can easily live and grow in the cold temperature of their habitat. Examples of some of the plants that grow on mountains and hills: fir, spruce, cedar, pine. So these are the examples of few mountainous or hilly plants. Now let's see one by one what kind of adaptations such plants have so that they can easily grow in cold temperature of their habitat. First, in mountains the trees are straight, tall and cone shaped. माउंटेन्स और हिल स्टेशन में जो ट्रीज होती है वो कैसी होती है? टॉल यानी कि लंबी, स्ट्रेट सीधी और कोन शेप्ड, लाइक दिस. This is like a shape of a cone. So the trees are cone shaped, they are tall and they are straight. Now why such kind of adaptation? We already know in hill stations every now and then there is snowfall. हमेशा वहाँ snow गिरती है. So when the snow falls on the trees, because of its cone shape, the snow slide off their branches. क्या होता है? जब भी snow in trees में गिरती है तो क्योंकि उनका थोड़ा सा कोन शेप है, दे हैव कोन शेप, इस कारण से स्नो उनके ऊपर फॉल होगी और ऐसे फिसल कर नीचे ग्राउंड में गिर जाएगी, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव दिस कोन शेप. अगर उनका शेप नॉर्मल ट्रीज की तरह होता, जैसे हमारे लैंड में होता, तो स्नो आकर यहाँ पे स्टोर हो जाती. दे वुड नॉट गेट द वे टू गो डाउन टू द ग्राउंड. उन्हें नीचे गिरने की जगह नहीं मिलती. अगर ऐसे जो हमारे प्लेन्स में जिस तरह के ट्रीज का शेप होता है, दे विल गेट स्टोर्ड इन द लीव्स. So in mountains the plants are tall, straight and cone shaped. Reason being, every now and then there is snowfall. So whenever the snow will fall on the trees, the snow can easily slide off the branches of these trees. Snow आराम से इनके कोन शेप के कारण ऐसे फिसल कर लैंड में या मिट्टी में गिर जाए. Second adaptation, leaves have waxy coating and are needle shaped. अब इन ट्रीज में जो लीव्स होती है उनके ऊपर वैक्स की कोटिंग होती है एंड ऑल्सो द लीव्स आर नीडल शेप्ड. नीडल शेप्ड मीन्स लाइक दिस टाइप. Reason, the leaves are needle shaped. Again the same reason, every now and then there is snowfall. So whenever the snow will fall on the trees or on the leaves, it can easily slide off the leaves and fall on the ground. That's why they have such kind of structure. Like suppose this is the leaf and when the snow will fall on this, it can easily slide off. बहुत आराम से वो फिसल कर नीचे मिट्टी में गिर जाएगा snow. So that's why the leaves are needle shaped. Now they have waxy coating. Of course in the hill stations it rains. So अगर कोई भी चीज बहुत देर तक पानी में रहती है तो वो सड़ जाती है, right? It rots. So if the leaves don't have a waxy coating and every time it rains in the hill station, every time the snow falls on the hill station, तो ये पत्तियां तो हमेशा गीली रहेंगी. एंड ऐसे करने से क्या होगा, बहुत देर तक जब ये पत्तियां गीली रहेंगे, इट विल स्टार्ट रॉटिंग. पत्तियां क्या होगी, सड़ने लगेगी. That's why the leaves have an adaptation that they have a waxy coat present on their surface. इन्होंने कौन से फीचर्स डेवलप किए हैं? अपनी पत्तियों के ऊपर इनके एक वैक्स की कोटिंग होती है जिससे कि ये पत्तियां वाटरप्रूफ हो जाती हैं ताकि पानी उन्हें रॉट ना कर सके। थर्ड, plants have cones with seeds. In such kind of plants which grow on hills and mountains, they don't have flowers. These plants do not grow flowers. In place of flowers, cones are grown. In place of flowers, cones are grown and they contain the seeds. So let's have a quick revision. Plants on mountains and hills. So such kind of plants are adapted or developed in such a way so that they can grow and live easily in cold temperatures of their habitat. Some examples: spruce, pine, cedar, fir. Adaptations: the trees are straight, tall and cone shaped so that the snow can easily slide off the branches. Leaves have waxy coating to prevent rotting of the leaves and are needle shaped so that the snow can again slide off the leaves. Third, plants have cones in place of flowers. Flowers are not grown in such plants. In place of flowers, cones are grown, and cones, they contain the seeds. Now in the next video, we'll see plants that grow on plains. Plains means the place where we are living. We are living on plains, right? So we will see how the plants are adapted to live in plains.